In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove an authenticator app in PayPal. Adding an authenticator app is one of the best ways to secure your PayPal account because it adds an extra step whenever you sign in, making it much harder for anyone else to get access. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and then explain how to remove the app if you no longer want to use it. First, open your web browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. It's a good idea to do this on a computer or tablet because it makes the next steps easier to see while you use your phone for the authenticator app. Once you're on your main account overview page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the little gear icon. This is your settings button. Clicking it will open up the area where you can manage your personal details, security options, and other preferences. In the settings menu, you'll see a few different tabs. Click on the tab labeled Security. This is where PayPal keeps all the tools related to protecting your account, such as passwords, devices, and two-step verification. On the security page, find the section called Two-Step Verification, or something very similar. Next to that, you should see a button that says Set Up. Click on Set Up to start the process of turning on two-step verification for your account. PayPal will show you a few options for how you want to receive your verification codes. Here, you want to choose the option that says Use an Authenticator app. Go ahead and click on that. Before you continue, have your preferred Authenticator app ready on your phone. This could be Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or another similar app. On your computer screen, PayPal will now display a QR code. Open the Authenticator app on your phone, tap to add a new account, and choose the option to scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your PayPal screen. The app should recognize it automatically and create a new entry for your PayPal account, generating a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds or so. Back on PayPal, click into the field where it asks for the code from your Authenticator app. Carefully type in the current 6-digit code you see on your phone. Make sure you enter it before it refreshes to a new one. Once you've entered the code, click on Confirm. If the code is correct, PayPal will link your account to the Authenticator app and let you know that two-step verification with an app is now active. From now on, when you sign in, you'll be asked for a code from this app. If at any point you want to remove the Authenticator app, go back to the same security section in your PayPal settings and return to the two-step verification area. You'll see your Authenticator app listed there. Look for a remove or delete option next to it and click that. PayPal may ask you to confirm your choice or enter a code one last time. After confirming, the Authenticator app will be disconnected and your account will go back to using only the remaining security methods you've set up. And that's all you need to add or